Hello? Is this thing on? Let's start the show. All right. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Alan, amateur radio call sign November 0 Zulu Foxtrot Golf and 0 ZFG. It's been a while, hasn't it? Yeah, it's been a few years, as I recall. Long time followers of the channel may have noticed we've done some test live streams over YouTube, which are no longer up. You may have received a notification about that. But we're back. A lot of things have changed. I'm in a nice electronics lab here now. I I do a lot of two-way repair and electronics repair, and amateur radio has been a huge part of that. So just to give you a bit of an update, I'll keep this short, but nonetheless, here it is. We're going to be doing a lot of shorter to mid-length videos on the channel about amateur radio. This channel is going to be geared towards the new ham, the person who's just got their license, and now what do you do? Where do you go from here? Do you join a club? Do you not join a club? What radio do you get first? What are you going to do? Between myself and some fellow ham operators, we're going to talk about those things, especially we have a podcast coming up. It's called The Long Wire. It's currently in production. So look forward to that. It is worth noting that the Long Wire podcast will be firmly G-rated. So feel free to watch it with your friends, your families, your kids. As I said, it's geared towards the new ham. We may do a quote-unquote after-hours podcast where it's not so G-rated, but even then it's going to be pretty benign, right? We want to keep amateur radio as friendly and professional as possible, right? A lot of people like to say, well, it's just a hobby, whatever. Well, yeah, it's a hobby, but it's more than that too, and we'll get into that. So along with that, what we're going to be doing on the channel here is kind of like you said, everything amateur radio related. We're going to be doing some live operating, for instance. We have our the Queen of the Airways, as it's known, the FT1000 MP Mark V. We have that hooked up, so we can, here we go, 14.300 Maritime Mobile Net. These guys are more reliable than the sun coming up in the morning, right? So we can do some live radio operating, which I think is going to be pretty sweet. We're going to be probably going over some kit builds, some DIY builds, antenna builds, some remote operations, mobile operations. It's going to be a good time. As I said, with that, we're just getting back in the game. It's been a while since we've been on YouTube. Things might be a little rusty, right? So bear with us. Be patient. We're not going to be as polished as some of the bigger YouTube channels, obviously, but we might get there. And like I said, this is for fun. This is for the new ham. We're going to keep it light, keep it casual. Excuse me. The big thing for us is amateur radio. For us, is an escape. Not only is it a service, it's something that's fun to do. We do it to relax. So we tend to stay away from the discussion of politics or religion or any of the hot button subjects, if you will. Like I said, keep it polite, keep it professional, keep it casual. We're gonna have a good time. So anyway, as I said, my name is Alan, amateur radio call sign N0ZFG, and I hope to see you out there. 73. All right. Welcome back to the channel. My name's Alan, amateur radio call sign. Forgot my own call sign. Oh, I love it.